One way to find customers is to put flyers through their letterboxes. For the best chance of success, you need to create something remarkable. And here's my attempt at doing just that, using cardboard, ink and string. I measure, mark up, then cut the cardboard into strips. Each A1 sheet of card gives 7 strips. I use strong 300 GSM Canford card. The strips of card go through the scalloped circle punch. I sit the punch in a stand, then place them into an arbour press. 10 circles come from each strip of card. I have had 2 silicone stamps specially made for this flyer. I stick the stamps into a chase plate before inserting the chase into the letterpress. I ink up the disc and get to work. I place a circle on the platen, press the handle, and my flyer is half printed. I have about 300 to do, so I'd better get to work. And now for the reverse side. It would be useful if people could hang up the flyer. Now it's time to post them. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. I will have more videos coming out in the near future, so please subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the section below, and find out more at my website beehiveyourself.co.uk. I'm also on other platforms which are listed below. And until next time, stay well.